happens when the second highest constitutional officer in India suddenly resigns? Who takes charge? When will the second election be held? Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar's recent midterm resignation has opened up a rare and significant constitutional situation. Let's decode the process, constitutional gaps, and what lies ahead in a way that's easy, exciting, and exam ready. As under Article 67A of the Indian Constitution, a Vice President may, by writing under his hand addressed to the President, resign his office. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar resigned mid-term, making him only the third in India's history to do so. The earlier resignations were by V.V. Giri and R. Venkataramana, both of whom stepped down for contest presidential election. His recognition has led to vacancy in Vice President's office, which means also chairmanship of Rajya Sabha is now vacant. Key features of Vice President's office and election process. When will elections be held? Who conduct the election? For Vice President, there is no fixed constitutional deadline like there is for presidents, 6 months. The law only states elections should be held as soon as possible. The Election Commission of India will announce the date under the President and Vice President Election Act 1952. As per convention, the Secretary General of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha is appointed returning officer in rotation. What is the term of the newly elected Vice President and how is the Vice President elected? The new Vice President will serve full 5 years term, not just remaining period of previous VP. Elected by an electoral collegium consisting of members of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, including nominated members. The proportional representation system with a single transferable vote is used. Voting is done by secret ballot in Parliament. The eligible criteria. The eligibility criteria include an Indian citizen, at least 35 years old, qualified to be elected to Rajya Sabha, not holding any office of profit under government except President, Governor, Minister. Challenges and constitutional gaps include no provision for acting Vice President lead to an administrative vacuum. No deadline for conducting VP election can lead to delays. Chairmanship of Rajya Sabha, a crucial parliamentary role, remains vacant till elections. Political uncertainty or strategic resignation may be used for electoral gains. Lack of public awareness about VP selection method leads to confusion in such scenarios. In a way forward, a constitutional amendment can set a fixed deadline, example 6 months for Vice President election. Consider provisions for temporary or acting Vice President just for an President. Enhance transparency and awareness among VP election process in civic education. Encourage timely election announcement by ECI to maintain institutional continuity. Promote parliamentary reforms to ensure Rajya Sabha continue to function smoothly during such transition. The Vice President may be second in line, but the role is first in ensuring legislative balance. The Jagdeep Dhankar's resignation remains as how constitutional roles, when vacated, can ripple across governance. Now, all eyes are on Election Commission and Parliament as India prepared to choose its next guardian of Rajya Sabha.